Hey guys, Lincoln Park Woo Woo here, and this is my bike. For the frame, it is a 2012 Premium Inception Complete. I bought this as a complete, not probably about 8 months ago, and I've built off of it. And I really like the geometry of the frame. It's a 20.5 top tube. For bars, I have Colt Leader V2s. They're nice bars. For grips, I have Fit Tex. These are really soft. I recommend them for sure. For bar ends, I just have some Odyssey bar ends. For stem, I have a Colt Salvation top load in Rasta. For headset, it's just stock. And then for forks, I have Eastern Nitrous forks. And they're lightweight. They're pretty strong too. For a front tire, I have an Animal GLH 2.25. For rim, it's a Primo Hula Hoop with Primo spokes laced to a Primo N4 hub. For cranks, I have Demolition Revolts with Animal Hamilton sealed pedals and a Sunday Sabertooth sprocket. For seat, it's a Premium Capital Fat with a stock seat post and an integrated seat post clamp. For chain, it's a Mechanic Half Link. For my back wheel, I have another Animal GLH in 2.195, and I have another hula hoop with Primo spokes on a Primo mix cassette. And that's my bike. This is a really nice setup. Been running this setup for a while now, and it's perfect for me, other than pegs, which I'm getting some real soon. But yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe.